In front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab 11, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this tablet. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down to access Privacy section, and in it tap on Permission Manager. Finally, click on one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like camera, and select your app. I will go with Messages. Finally, apply the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so in this case, I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up. Now when I go back, as you can see, my app no longer has access to device's camera. If you want to, you can always just click on one of your apps, in my case Messages again, but this time select See All Messages Permissions. Now manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!